Hi, I'm Ingo from Roast Rebels, and today I will introduce you to Bourbon Santos, our coffee from Brazil. It's a coffee that most of the people like because it has a low acidity, it has a nice body, nice sweetness, and tastes of chocolate, nuts, and vanilla. Therefore, it's very perfect as an espresso, café crème, in the bialetti, or also as a French press coffee. The coffee is a yellow bourbon Arabica bean, which has been naturally processed. So this gives the coffee this nice body and sweetness, this natural process. It comes from Sul del Minas in Brazil, from a hacienda which is called Capoeirinha. They're producing coffee since about 50 years. They're very experienced, they're very professional, and they won a lot of prizes with their coffees. And also this coffee is regularly a finalist at Cup of Excellence. I recommend to roast this coffee as a full city plus, or like a medium dark roast. I usually go into the start of second crack, and at this point the coffee has a nice sweetness. It has this taste of chocolate, of nuts, a nice body. You will find a lot of roast profiles and more information on the coffee online on our website on roastrebels.com. And if you have any more questions, I look forward to hear from you.